Today I'm going to talk about 5 places in MFU University. I'm come from section 7, group 10. Were 3 members in my group. They are Atitaya Utayanik, ID 6131209 175. พนัดดาแสนแดง student ID 6131209 182 and วลัยลักษณ์คงสวัสดิ์ 6131209 185. We come from School of Management, Logistics and Supply Chain. So these are outline. We're going to talk about 5 places in MFU University. The first one is C1 building. Second is C2 building. The third one is MFU History Hall. Fourth one is MFU Library. And the last one is Sidewalk. So we have got 38 students that have been answered our response. So let's see the first one.
First place is C1 building. C1 building is a lecture building. We would like to have a hot chocolate. Here, when we have a morning class, we think it's good to have a hot drink when you feel sleepy in the classroom. Result of response. The question is, have you ever been to C1 building? The answer yes is 31% and the answer no is 7%. And the highest satisfaction rating of this location is 3 points that vote from 17 people and lowest satisfaction rating of this location 2 points that vote from 2 people. The second place is C2 building. C2 building is our English classroom that we spend our time together. We meet many students from different majors. Results of response. The question is, have you ever been to C2 building? The answer yes is 38% and the answer no 0%. And the highest satisfaction rating of this location is 3 points that vote from 14 people and lowest satisfaction rating of this location is 2 points that vote from 0 people. The third page is MFU History Hall. MFU History Hall. In this page, will tell you about history of MFU University since 1999. Result of response. The question is, have you ever been to MFU History Hall? The answer yes, 22%, and the answer no, 50%. And the highest satisfaction is 4 points that vote from 14 people and the lowest satisfaction is 2 points that vote from 2 people.
The fourth page is MFU Library. MFU Library is a guest page in MFU. It has a lot of books and a lot of room to use in the different purposes, such as student room, self-access learning, multimedia group. They have a lot of space for students to read a book, work and assignment. Some students are asleep or work with group. Result of response. The question is, have you ever been to MFU library? The answer yes is 37 people. The answer no is 1 people. The highest satisfaction rating of these locations are 4 and 5 points that vote from 14 people. The lowest satisfaction rating of the location are 1 and 2 points that vote from 0 people. The last one page is sidewalk. Sidewalk is the way to the lecture building. It's two steps. When we wake up late in the morning, we have to run to the building as soon as possible to catch the student attendance check or quiz. Result of responses. The question is, have you ever been to sidewalk? The answer yes is 38 people. The answer no is 0 people. The highest satisfaction rating of the location is 3 point that vote from 13 people. The lowest satisfaction rating of this location is 1 point that vote from 3 people. What we have learned. We have learned a lot of things such as how to use Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Form, and also Google Slide. We've been go to many places that we never been before and have a great time together. Thanks for your attention.